यूपी के एक बंदे ने कर दिया कमाल। He learned fingerprint cloning and then he allegedly hacked 500 bank accounts. कितना सही है ना? This is how it happened. In Saharanpur, people were receiving money in their bank accounts through various government schemes. This alleged scamster learned fingerprint cloning using glue gun and adhesive through the internet and got some bank officials on his side. He then withdrew money from the bank accounts of these beneficiaries. एक report के according, this whole process of cloning per person cost him just 5 rupees. देखा जाए तो जितना टैलेंट हमारे यूपी के लड़कों में है उतना कहीं भी नहीं है. Interestingly, his name is also Gaurav. But this is not it. Most of us have been targets of online scams. Some of us accepted the bait while some of us were clever enough to not fall into the trap. And I am telling you, this ain't a small business. According to a report by Scam Advisor, in 2019 there were more than 140 million scams in more than 30 countries where the research happened. The money lost was 36 billion euros in 2019 alone. In this video, I will tell you about such interesting scams and how scamsters scam you. This is in no particular order. Number 1, online dating and romance scams. This is classic and my favorite. मैं सुनीता हूँ, मैं आपसे रोमांटिक बातें करना चाहती हूँ, क्या आप मुझे फोन करेंगे? Many of us have received such texts and they are nothing but a scam. Often you will see attractive profiles and the person will tell you that he or she is living in another country. Then you might hear a sad story and the scammer will tell you that he or she wants to meet you but cannot afford it. Some people give their personal details whereas some people even send over the money. Believe me, ना ही abroad से तुम्हारा lover वापस आएगा और ना ही तुम्हारे भेजे गए पैसे. Number 2. Then we have lottery scams. You may be getting emails like congratulations, you have won thousands of dollars in XYZ lottery and to claim your reward click on this link. And that is how you will fall in this trap. You will click on that link and that link will tell you that to claim your winning amount you have to pay them some amount of money. बस यही scam होता है. As a result of this, lottery के तो पैसे आएंगे नहीं, जो बचे कुछ पैसे तुमने claim करने के लिए दिए थे वो भी चले जाएंगे. Number 3, we have phishing scams. These are extremely common and happens to best of us. In this you receive an email from an address that mimics your bank email's address. It may say that your account is expiring, your credit card needs renewal or anything like that. It is extremely common on Instagram as well. Many celebrities like Urmila Mantolkar, Amisha Patel and Tabu have fallen victims to an Instagram phishing campaign and lost access to their personal accounts. They received messages from handles that mimicked official Instagram account and they were warned that if they don't provide certain account information they will be logged out of Instagram forever. इन celebrities ने दे दी अपनी account की details और as a result इनके accounts हो गए hack. Hackers ने इन्हीं के account से कई followers को random links भेजे और उन links के through पैसे कमाए. It is that simple. So these days even scamsters have progressed. From emails they have entered your Instagram DMs. On number 4, we have fake e-commerce websites and obviously they have fake products. In fact, even I almost fell for it. In this you will click on the link that looks like a shopping website and you see some really amazing clothes and accessories at a very low price. तुम सोचोगे यार ये इतना सब कुछ इतना सस्ता कैसे हो सकता है? You will buy it and pay online, but the product will never reach you. Why? Because the website is fake. It has no address, it has no customer care support, it has no user reviews. This is a new trend and even a lot of youngsters fall for it. On 5th, we have the oldest scam ever. This is called as a Nigerian scam or 419 scam. In this scam, you receive an email from someone who claims to be from an African country. They would offer you to transfer large sums of money into your bank account to get it out of the country. इसमें ये भी कहा जाएगा कि you can keep some amount of money from the transferred money if you agree to pay the legal cost and the transaction cost. मत करना, बिल्कुल मत करना. This is a scam. These are just a few examples. Scamsters have gotten smarter with time. They have entered your Instagram DMs, your mobile texts, and your emails. And this can happen to anyone. If you're not digitally smart, you can fall for easy scams like lotteries or malicious emails. And even if you're educated, digitally smart, and a celebrity, you can fall for highly sophisticated phishing scams. और इससे बचने का एक ही तरीका है, and that is awareness. First of all, you need to know that nothing is free. तुमने जब किसी लॉटरी में पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं किया तो obviously तुम्हें कोई पैसे नहीं मिलने वाले मुफ्त में. Your bank would never ask for personal details on your email address. No romantic single would want to talk to you for free if you're not on any legitimate dating app. If you're shopping online, make sure that it is a correct web address. Make sure that the website has all the details and user reviews. Check for their address, phone number, and customer care support. If these details are missing, this is a major red flag. And never ever share your personal details with anyone randomly. Do not click on any suspicious links and be very careful of what you are doing online. That is all for now. I hope you will not fall for any of these scams. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.